This 2025 Grand Design Transcend One 151BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 19 feet 8 inches in length and features sleep 6, water heater, air conditioning, awning, smoke detector, refrigerator, spare tire kit, oven, LP detector, microwave, TV, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Transcend One 151BH is 3,550 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.